Now let's introduce a new generation of laser cutting machine, DAQIN Intelligent Tempered Glass Screen Protector Cutting Machine Y. Beauty in appearance, strength in internal scale. A good-looking with high-quality, intelligent tempered glass screen protector cutting machine. Using large area injection molding process, let the machine have a unique, curvaceous beauty. Large cutting area. The maximum cutting area is 250 mm by 360 mm. Even can cut the 15-inch laptop screen protector. Extremely simple operation, high efficiency. It can be controlled by mobile phone, tablet, laptop, and computer. Easy and convenient operation. Set for various use such as cutting mobile screen protector, tablet and laptop screen protector, back skin, and so on. Instead of putting the air pump and water pump on the outside, the machine has it all built in. Put it in store more neat and saves space. Support multiple templates cutting at the same time, make cutting more efficient. DAQIN Intelligent Tempered Glass Screen Protector Cutting Machine Y is suitable for entering brand mobile phone stores, mobile accessory store, shopping mall, etc. 2021 New DAQIN Intelligent Tempered Glass Screen Protector Cutting Machine Y. Beauty in appearance, strength in internal scale.